fight is going to break out on top of the cage. Somebody's going to get hurt right there.
Hi, Karama. And Del Rio, he's very close to the WrestleMania sign. His destiny.
He's done the point that he's focused. He's focused on WrestleMania.
Del Rio's going to win this steel cage match. They get both feet on the ground, and they're twisted as well. And look at Christian. Oh, my Lord. Christian right already Del Rio.
Wait a minute, if I'm not mistaken, this is what he's holding Del Rio up.
Did you get it? That was a good one, though, that she did.